Hi, this is a 36 volt, 800 watt electric wooden go-kart. So I've not done anything on it for a couple of days. I got to day 10 and stopped. I've got more important things to do at the minute. Got certain stuff that has to prioritise this. So what I thought I'd do is show you how far I've got in 10 days. Right, so starting with the front wheels. These are off a wheelchair. This is a wooden piece I made for the steering rod. It's got legs coming across here with foot pegs on, which are actually mountain bike pedals. Then the raised seat with foam on. The foam's from Screwfix, one of them mats that you kneel on while you're doing work. There's the motor, 800 watts. Back wheels. It's also got suspension on it, so when you sit on it, it leans. And it does that because of this. There, a fitted suspension. I don't know how well you can see. The light's quite poor in my flat. So it's got suspension, and this is on the main beam. Stand up so you can look at it. Right, so this is how far I've come in 10 days. So I'm going to start working on it tomorrow, but just wanted to show you how much I've done. The back tyres are new, because as you can see, they've got these little spikes on, so they've not been used at all. There's a better view of the back suspension. This board, I've made this myself. And yeah, it's 36 volts, 800 watts, so it should be quite powerful. So in the next couple of days I'm going to finish the steering off. I've got a few ideas with the steering. I've got to make a steering wheel that holds the remote, because it was an electric mounting board and we have a remote that controls them. So I've got to incorporate that into the steering wheel. So yeah, really chuffed with it. And I can't wait to ride it. Should be really fun. Might be a bit scary, but anyway. Oh, here comes the dog mooching past. Right, so thanks for watching. It's just been a show of my go-kart build up to date, and I'm going to start this week, so stay tuned. Right, thanks, bye.